The new sand arrived and I wanted to try it on the new made automata, so I put in the sand, not too much, about maybe 400 gram, and open the slider. And what happened? Not much, because the hole was too small, so made it a bit bigger and it starts flowing. Yeah. The sand is returning, coming back, and it's working with a little figure. And I've been doing a time test to see how long this sand lasts, and as you can see soon, it was about 5 to 6 minutes that this little 400 gram lasted until it was gone through.